Hello, right now I'm gonna quickly show you hidden features of the Redmi Note 14. First of all, I will show you the CIT menu, and we can find it in the settings. Next we have to go into the About phone, and we have to go into the Detailed info and specs, and we have to press a couple of times the kernel version, which is available right here. We have to press it a couple of times, and right here there is this CIT menu, and here are a lot of different options, a lot of different types of parameters, and so here are some more options. We can calibrate the gyroscope sensor, as you can see. We can also calibrate the camera sensor. So yeah, that's the one hidden feature I wanted to show you. And the second one is the toolbox, and right here we have to go into the security application right here, and we have to wait for we have to skip this ad. Alright, and we have to scroll all the way down, and again we have to swipe with our finger up, and we will open the toolbox, as you can see right here. And here we have different tools and stuff, and we can enable Game Turbo. We have the second space, we have dual apps, we can also hide applications, we have some different types of cleaners and privacy protection. So yeah, that's also the second hidden feature that I wanted to show you here. So yeah, that's all about the hidden features on the Redmi Note 14. Thank you for watching.